We thought the midnight snacks were disappearing on their own. We couldn't figure out what was happening until one day we checked the hidden camera in our kitchen and we couldn't believe what we saw. The footage is from a few days ago. You can see our cat here opening the fridge by herself. She figured out the handle, pulled it down, and went straight for the food like a pro burglar. But the most shocking thing is that she's not a kitten. She's 15 years old, and somehow in the last 15 years she's learned how to open our fridge. It's a miracle. I can't believe she's still getting into the food. It's like she's a little kid again. She's so cute. But I guess if you live with cats long enough, you learn their tricks. So maybe we shouldn't be surprised. But I gotta say, it's still pretty funny to watch.